Hi there, here we have a calculus question. You may like to pause the video and try yourself first. Let's find a solution. We have a curve with equation y equals 3 on 2x squared minus 5. Find the equation of the normal to the curve at the point 2, 1, given your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are integers. Let's go through the procedure. The first thing we want to do is find the derivative of the curve, otherwise known as the gradient function. We write down the equation again, and we'll move the denominator to the top and change the power to -1. And we'll apply the chain rule. We let u equal 2x squared minus 5. So du dx will be 4x. That means that y will equal 3 times u to power -1. And dy du then will be -3u power -2. So for the chain rule, we'll multiply them. We have 4x times -3 u power -2. Then we replace u with 2x squared minus 5. And that will simplify to -12x on 2x squared minus 5 to power 2. In step 2, we find the gradient at the point 2, 1. What we do then is substitute 2 into our gradient functions. And when we simplify, we'll get -8 on 3. Step 3, we write the gradient of the normal at the point 2, 1. We'll let m equal the gradient of the normal, and we use this property. When you multiply the gradient of the normal to the gradient of the tangent line, we get -1, which means that the gradient of the normal is 3 on 8. Step 4, which is the last step, we find the equation of the normal at the point 2, 1. We use the slope point form of a straight line to do that. That is y minus y subscript 1 equals m times x minus x subscript 1. In this case, the slope we're using is 3/8. And the point x1, y1 is our point of tangency, which is 2, 1. Now substitute in the values. We have y minus 1, the y value, equals the slope, which is 3/8, times x minus 2, which is the x value. Now multiply through by 8. That will remove this 8 in the denominator here. So we get 8y minus 8 equals 3 times x minus 2. And then we can simplify. We get 8y minus 8 equals 3x minus 6. Our final answer then is -3x plus 8y minus 2 equals 0, or 3x minus 8y plus 2 equals 0. At this point, it's worth checking your answer using a graphing program. Here I used GeoGebra. I graphed our rational function, which was given, and this is the calculated straight line. This is the line which is the normal at this point here, 2, 1. You should zoom in on this area as closely as you can, and you should find the angle will be a right angle, which you may not see that if you don't zoom in far enough. Thanks for watching.